What's up, guys? It's a Friday morning. We're headed over to a house that has 3 systems on it. 2 of them are Lennox systems, and we're going to go change a condenser fan motor on one of the Lennoxes. It's a 3-ton Lennox heat pump. Pull up in the driveway, and we'll take you guys along for this repair. All right, guys, here she is, a Lennox Elite. It's got some vines growing on it. I'll clear that out for her. And we're going to get started on replacing the condenser motor. All right, guys, there's the old one. It's locked up. You can see it doesn't spin very good. Yeah, it locks up. So we're going to remove the blade and remove the motor and get her going.
Up on me. Heat swelling up like a hurricane. Man, I just gotta find me some peace. Watch the sunrise as I walk my path. Oh Lord, something's calling out to me. Oh, mile after mile, as another day is behind me.
Alright, guys, we got the new motor in place. We got the wires pulled through. Now all we got to do is just add our capacitor and fire this baby up and check the charge. Alright, guys, we got the motor wired up. We got our new capacitor in place. Got the wires all nice and tidied up with zip ties. Contactors pulled in. Flip our disconnect and see what happens. That's what we want. That's a lot better. Alright, guys, I'm going to let it run for a few minutes and I'm going to check the charge on it. I'll pop the Z-Man on there. If I don't like what I see, then we'll get the spoiling tool out. Alright, guys, this is called not liking what I see. You can see that suction pressure is way too low. And the homeowner's not home Doors are locked. She turned the thermostat down real low because when I came we had to alter this motor. I diagnosed this motor bad a couple days ago, and I shut the disconnect off and left it off. So when I called her to tell her I was on the way, she said she couldn't be home. She had to leave. I said, well, just run your thermostat down real low. That way I could turn the unit on when I'm done. So she said she did. So we're gonna get the smart tool out and some 410A, and all I can do for her today is gas her up, and then we'll have to schedule a leak check with her for another day because she's not gonna be home for a while. Well guys, I almost made a really big mistake. After I put the Sporling tool on here and started looking at temperatures and stuff, I said, wait a minute, this might be an R22 unit. I just assumed it was 410. So I called the Lennox store down in New Orleans, and they verified that it is R22. So I can't get in the house. The superheat doesn't look too bad, but I'm gonna put just a little squirt in it, try to bring that superheat down, lower to 20. Since I can't get in the house, I'm just kind of, using my experience, and I think I should be like around, 20 degrees, and then I'd like to see that about at least 20 degrees of superheat with the weather that we have today. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to squirt a couple ounces in there and lower that superheat just a little bit. But other than that, we look good. Plus, we're almost on our target subcooling, and we have so that's another thing. We're working with a TXV. That subcooling is supposed to be 7. So I'm going to raise that up to 7. That'll drop the superheat a little bit, and we should be good to go.